In AutoCAD, to measure the line dimension, whatever things like length, width, radius of circle, anything radius of arc, what usually we will do, we will go for the dimension, and when then we will check the dimension of particular length, width, whatever it is, and then radius, how much it is. We will check like this. So what we will do, usually we will use dimension for to check the or to cross check the value, and then after the use we will delete this things, right? So I hope you are also doing same, but I have new trick for you. So without giving the dimension, we can measure the particular value. So where you can go, here we are having option of measure. So once if you will click measure, first option is quick measure. Next is distance, radius, angle, area, and volume. So volume, it is totally for the 3D. So we are going to learn only 2D concept in this video. So hello guys, this is Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So today I brought you this video specifically like how to measure the value and how to measure quickly whatever drawing you have drawn and you want to check any value. So you can go for this uh, option. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Go back to my previous video. You can follow those tutorial and you will get definitely whatever previous video I have uploaded, whatever concept I have explained in that particular video. So next to that here we are having now quick measure. Suppose if I will go, as you can see here it is showing the first value as a length and second vertical value it is a width for this rectangle. Again if I will drag here, here it is showing the length and width. Next to that here it is showing the radius for this particular circle. Wherever I will drag, again here you can see the length of this line. Everywhere it will show the value. So this is a very easy and very useful concept in AutoCAD we can use. Suppose if you are having very much complicated drawing and in that you are unable to give the dimension and you want to check particular value, you can follow this quick measure option. After that we are having distance measure. So here first point and second point. Without showing the value or appearing any value here, you can check by this option distance how much it is. Here it will show again here x axis 0, distance y, and then z it is 0. Accordingly it will show the value of the axis also, x comma y comma z value. So next to that here again we are having next option, that is a in measure radius value. So once if you will click for the select arc or radius, it will ask. So radius 6 feet 10 inches, diameter 13 feet 8 inches. Accordingly, it will come the again here downward side also it will show the radius as well as diameter together. Next to that again we are having angle option. So select first line or first arc. Next to that here it is showing 90-degree angle. So likewise we can search and we can see the whatever area. Now area how to show first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. So now here once if you will give enter, we have to give. So area this much square inches, and again here it is in square feet, perimeter this much. So we are having too much of information in measure thing. We can measure the area, we can measure the perimeter, we can measure the dimension, whatever length, width, radius, everything we will get in this option. I hope you have understand this concept and this video will be helpful for you. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like my video, please share to your friends. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Also, you can go back and you can check my Instagram page. There also you can follow for more tricks and tutorials. Thanks for the watching.